Good day to all. Today our topic is crystal growth. Myself, Dr. B. Suresh Kumar, Department of Mechanical Engineering. Here I have some doubts. Does plant only grow? Why not metals? The plant may grow with the cells. The metal also structured with their atoms. Why not we go for grow the metals than plants as like a plants? The plant cells are connected with each other by adhesive force, and also it may sticking with each other adhesiveness force. The metal atoms also combine with each other with the aid of sharing the electrons between them. Why can't we utilize the electron sharing for growing the material? This is my long time question. For example, the daily morning I wake up and open the sugar box or salt container means I can see some thickening materials. How it forms? Because of I enter the salt or sugar container into the moisture. Based on that moisture absorption, I can get the thickening solids within the sugar or solid container. How it happens? Because of the outer bond transfers the electrons between them architecture. From this the sodium and the chloride can combine with each other, and also it transfers its electrons to nearwood electrons cycle. From this we can get the bonding between two atoms. So why can't we utilize these kind of activities for growing the materials? We try already. Some science students are working with the crystal growth. Here what is crystal growth? Addition of new atoms, ions or polymer strings into the characteristic arrangements of the crystalline lattice. Based on this, we can introduce the crystal growth in engineering also. The small crystals that formed in the container grew because of nucleation. Here, a new molecules found each other in the solution and joined together in a crystal pattern. From this also we can get the new structure of materials than machining and additive manufacturing operations. Other molecules continue to join them until enough molecules gather to become a visible crystalline solid. Based on this, we can grow the atoms with the attraction between them. Attraction happens only because of sharing the electrons between them. Then so the crystals would grow quite large, so that we can utilize this concept for growing the metals. Here the crystals are formed because of the replacing of or repeating of molecules with this cycle. So we can introduce some solute for enriching this operation. Solute is a substance dissolved in another substance, so that we can utilize this process for growing the metals. Here the saturation, when the saturation is attained, saturation means when a mineral like solid is dissolved in water, the water can only hold certain amount of the solute. A liquid is saturated when the maximum amount of solute is dissolved in it. Hot liquids and cold liquids are also available, so that hot liquids can hold more solute than cold liquids. So that in crystal growth there is a crystal formation. The crystal formation is follows always repeated molecules arrangement with the aid of solute. Based on that, the crystal growth gets a saturation. So the nucleation is the process to control the nucleation direction and also direction of growth. So how nucleation helps new structure via self-assembly of atoms and self-organization of atoms for beginning the metal structures. If the liquid is cooled slowly, nucleation of new crystals will be less than at large under cooling. So that the dendritic growth started will result in dendrites of a large size. From this we can get the direction and we can control the metal growth also. Then okay, the metal is grow up. Then how do we control, how do we match one particle to another particle? Means already the Miller indices plane is used in lattice plane. These kind of planes we can arrange the atoms with each other. The Miller indices, group of 3 members that indicates the orientation of a plane or set of parallel planes of atoms in a crystal. For example, if you are seeing the diagram, here the triangle available, after that flat surface available, here 1 0 0, which means in x-axis there is 1 unit available, so that I can draw the point. In y-axis and the z-axis there is no point, so that I consider the plane with the yz, so that the x-axis only having the point, so that the plane is looking like parallel to yz plane, which is one of the Miller indices planes. And also we can get triple 1 in x-axis 1, y-axis 1, and also z-axis 1, so that I can get the triangular shape. Likewise, I can get the different shapes from the assembling of different Miller indices plane. For example, if I connect all 1 0 0 structure, means I can get exactly flat surfaces, or otherwise I can utilize 1 1 1 triple 1 plane, means I can get the triangular face inclination structure from the triple 1 Miller indices plane, so that we can get different structure. And also if I saw the lattice plane with 3-dimensional, means I can get different direction of growth, and also I can get the uniformity of growth. From Miller indices I can control and I can grow the metals with the aid of combining of different planes and same planes with each other. Likewise, I may get the different orientation and also different growth direction I may get with the nucleation and Miller indices plane interactions. From this we can get the metal plants as like biological plants, but the genetical information is missed with the metal growth. We can utilize this Miller indices plane concept for control the direction of nucleation and grow of metal plants. So we can utilize atom accelerator for construct the atoms in lattice plane. From this we can get the metal plants as like metal plants and any other applications. Solar plant panels we can manufacture with the aid of this kind of plant growth or crystal growth techniques. And also we can control the direction of growth, and also we can control the growth direction, nucleation direction and orientation with the aid of Miller indices plane. From this we can get the different manufacturing processes, then additive and subtractive manufacturing process. So we can introduce metal growth and also growth manufacturing in mechanical engineering or manufacturing engineering departments. Thank you all.